Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to Wicked Artistry Candle Co. I am Tony Porter. I am the guy behind the scenes in the forefront. I'm all over the place. Look, if you are a returning person, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, here's what I need you to do. I need you to click that bell, click that subscribe button, and click that notification button, the like button, because that way you know when all the content is coming up. So, once again, welcome to Wicked Artistry Candle Co. We are in the business here at Wicked A to help you, if you're a beginner, if you're a hobbyist, learn how to make candles, learn how to sell, get the ins and outs, all the latest tips and tricks, all the latest waxes and fragrances. So before we get any further, shout out to Steedley Handcraft. Jeff is one of the guys that I found on YouTube, and literally been following Jeff and a couple other people in the Candle Makers Beginner group on Facebook, and it really has inspired me to do the stuff that I do. So, with that being said, with that being said, review. So basically, everyone knows 2020 got the F up out of here. We kicked it to the curb, and 2021 has begun. Now, most people would say that they are literally still celebrating. I kicked off 2021 at 12:01 and was in the lab working, doing inventory, getting ready for the upcoming, not only the upcoming spring collection, the continuing of the first collection, which was the signature collection, and also working on a few Valentine's gift boxes. We're trying to get some ideas, some things to get done. You know how that goes. I think I want to do about, we'll see how that goes, how I lay it out and everything like that. But my year in review of 2020, as far as my Candle Co. company has been, it's been a very, very strange, very, very strange situation for me, because I literally started with a 15-minute conversation. And that 15-minute conversation basically went like this. It was me and my wife. It basically went like this. I was depressed about the fact that I couldn't coach high school football because I coach high school football. So with that being said, I literally had to channel my energy somewhere else. She told me, she was like, look, you know, she's very blunt. Why don't you do something that you've done before? Well, I've done affiliate marketing. I'm still doing that. I've done make music. You can hear some of the stuff I've worked on. I'm going to remix this. And basically, I mean, it's just, you know, it's situations that have come about where 5 years ago I was trying to do candles, but I messed up by starting with gel. I didn't understand gel because I didn't research it. So I stopped. She said, go back to doing that and take everything you've learned, apply it, and see how it goes. I did it. That was in September. Of course, we know what happened from February, late February on up to that part. Again, couldn't coach because of COVID-19. Most of the time was in the house, in my office now, where I'm sitting in now. So basically, I've literally turned my office, a room, into my office, my workstation. So let's fast forward. We get through the summer. I think I bought my first kitten. I brought my kitten September, late September, right after Labor Day. About 2 weeks after Labor Day. Made my candles, start passing them out. Oh, I forgot a part. When I literally had that 15-minute conversation, I walked in this room here, jumped on the computer, registered my business with my state of Kentucky, registered for my EIN number with the IRS, registered my business credit line with Dun & Bradstreet, and then like a week or two later, I went to the bank and literally open up a checking account. Those are the 4 core things I needed to make sure I was a legit business and people started taking me serious. Got the kit, made some candles, passed them out. People loved it. So I got into it. I start taking money that I would normally go out and spend here or do something there. I had to make a decision. Do I want to look flashy or do I want to get cashy? And I chose to get cashy. So basically what I did was I took the money instead of me going out. I said I could suffer for a few months. You know, I wasn't going nowhere. There wasn't nowhere for me to go. And basically I literally started investing into my candles. Launched on December the 4th. December the 6th. I want to say December the 4th. By December the 8th, between the 8th and the 10th, I had sold half of my inventory. I literally started with, I want to say 5 fragrances, 8 candles a piece, 10 wax melts a piece. Sold half of it. So we're talking probably 50 something, close to 50 something candles, because it was 8 to 10. And then of course I was making different ones as I was getting new fragrances in. Literally, by Christmas, I was down to 7 candles. By Christmas, the day before Christmas Eve, I got another mass order Christmas Eve, and I was down to 4 candles, which I still think I got 4. Yeah, I got 4 candles left. Wax melts was gone. I had to redo those. But then, like, some of the fragrances I was periodically making because people was getting the sense, and they was like, oh no, I want this candle right here. Can you get this to me? Yeah, I get it to you within a day. Just let me get to the lab and start whipping it up again. So that's where I'm at. So my year started out ridiculously crazy. Kind of pushed me almost into that state of mind of depression, because it was something that was taken away from me that I was used to doing, and it was abruptly gone. But it ended on a positive note, and the future is extremely, extremely wide open. So that's where I'm at right now. Wicked Artistry Candle Code is in full effect. And the biggest thing is as I'm going, I'm growing, I'm scaling, and I'm learning. Okay? So I've already started pre-work for spring and summer, because those are going to be some times where, even though we are not in the house, people still want to have fresh fragrances and want the house to smell good. So we're going to get some of those fragrances to make your house smell like it's supposed to smell. And for the guys, you know, we're going to do that. So with that being said, I just want to thank everybody for their support, for supporting my small micro, as of right now, home-based business. I have plans and dreams of scaling and doing what I need to do to be successful. But Wicked A cannot be successful without the people. So we try to make sure that we involve the people. Be on the lookout for a few pop-ups. We won't be selling. What we're going to be doing is basically we're going to have ways of showing you or offering you free samples, and so you can literally give back to us what you think would be a great scent. All right. And so, like my first collection, which was the Apple Maples and Bourbon, which is now called the Stewart Collection, that's what it was, man. A buddy of mine and his wife loved the smell, so it's the Stewart Collection. So you want to get that Stewart Collection, it's the Apple Maples and Bourbon. Smells great. It's what you need. All right. So with that being said, man, we're gonna get up out of here. 2021, let's get it. We kicked 2020 to the curve. But 2021, we're not gonna say we're gonna make it our year. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make it productive. All right, let's get that. All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's ride. Let's get it. Peace out.